Hello, it's Jan here. Today I want to make name tags for Christmas gifts. I have craft paper like cardstock. You can use any cardstock you like. I'll cut it into pieces. I decided on a small size. I first cut 4 centimeters sheets and then cut it to approximately 2.7 centimeters wide. It will be simple and quick project. Okay, and then now I cut it at half because I will use these 2 pieces for another technique. I am deciding if I am going to cut it to one sheet at a time or do them all at once. So at once. So we have it cut out. I want a tag to have cut edges, so I can cut it in different ways. I can cut it from the eye on both sides, or I can do it by cutting off one corner first and then turning it over and putting it on the opposite side and cutting it accordingly. But I want to make more tags today, so I'm going to make a pattern. So I will take a piece of hard paper. This one looks like it's the right width, almost. I'll cut off one corner and I'll try it on the tag. Opposite. No. It's too long. I'll try it again. One side and the other. So I like this one better. So I'm going to cut them all. Now I'm going to make holes. I have such tools. Office hole punch and craft hole punch. Craft hole punch is good for leather or something like this. So we will see. First I draw with a pencil the places where I want to make holes. I'll take the office punch. Okay, a little bit problem here is that I can clearly see where to cut the hole. But it can be. Now this tool. This tool is difficult to use on paper. But the hole is cut more precisely. Well, nothing. I'll use office one. It looks like it will be easier. I have the tags ready. I'm going to stamp now. My favorite brown ink and some stamps. I have these Christmas stamps or winter stamps. At first I'll try something with these stars. I will stamp the bottom corner and top corner to fit the name in the middle. Something like this. Okay, I will try another combination. Okay, and now the others. I also need a pad for that. I'll use only snowflakes. I arrange them on the deck and stick them to the pad. Little bit correct. Now I take them with this pad. It's easily to ink at once every snowflakes. I don't know. One more try. I'll try to store the snowflakes a little differently. That much will probably be enough. Okay, ink, and here is result. I think It's better. But I'm missing that one. So one more. Now it's good. Okay. So this way I can stamp the remaining tags. It's a quick decoration. Now that's enough for the demonstration. I'm going to distress the edges with ink. I will also take a few empty ones. I can paint something on those. I will take the copper color first and I will paint some branches. And now I will add the branches with a black marker. I want to add some strings. I choose these. Brown will definitely be good. Natural sisal looks great too. And now I'm going to try this white one with copper thread. The sisal one is a bit thick. The sisal could be split. It looks nice and interesting now. Looking at the white string, I could use white on the tag as well. Here I add some branch. Here I can add some dots. Also here. It's great. Okay, well, I'll spray it with gold paint now. Little bit together. Okay. Let's look at them. I can write a name on the front and a personal wish on the back. This was one version of the tags. I want to make another with a different technique in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.